So welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is gonna talk about Python conditional statements. So now let's say maybe you want to determine someone's age, and if they are 18 or older of age, you call them an adult, and if they are less than 18 of age, you call them a child. So to create a conditional statement, let's add another terminal. So let's say maybe someone is 34. Now you are going to create your conditional statement, and you say if. Conditional statement always starts with if, and you say if age is greater or equals to 18, column, print that the person is an adult. Or else they are a child. Now let's run our code and see if it gets run. Just go to this and click it. Now it says the person is adult since their age is above 18. Now let's say maybe the person is 10, and let's run our code now and see. It says they are child. So that's it for this video. That's how you could use a conditional statement with Python. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. So please consider liking, subscribing and commenting so that others can discover my channel. Thanks for watching.